Minista wa UGITIRI wa THIINI KIPCHUMBA Murkomen augite thirikari ndigucoka na thutha hari kuhingurira thitango cia toi ari othe maikitio ngono magikuruhanio na gucogera na gucungiriria wanangiki wa indo hindi ya mirurungano, akiuga ciiko icio itire na ngurani nacio toi. Murkomen urio kwaragia rimwena wa Eldoret kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu hindi ya baratha ya jukwaa la usalama NIOKIRIIRE president wa kiama kia mawakiri LSK Faith Odhiambo akiuga handu ha gutogeria maabitha borithi we aratetera andu aria makoretwo magitabania ciiko cio toi.
I saw the interview of the LSK president and I was surprised that she was arrogating herself the position of a judge. We have presented the evidence to court. How did she assess that it was not watertight? I want to ask the LSK to concentrate on pushing for rule of law. Thought the LSK will be celebrating with the police that thank you very much because you are punishing these criminals that are infiltrating process so that in future we have peaceful protest. Instead, what do? They want to secure these criminals to be free. I want to tell the Law Society of Kenya not to always be on the side of the criminals.
Oho nionekanite kuorotoria wari Minista wa URUTI WIRA wa MUINGI Justin MUTURI na munene wa watho wa hau kabere akiuga riria ari speaker niwe wekirire thairi ya watho wa kugitira ciiko cio toi kuria riu oriti magoti kwaga kuguoyohio makihinyiririo kurekereria aria maikitio ngono na besha nini.
Does former Speaker of National Assembly JB Muturi forget that he passed this law by hook or crook? He was sitting there when this law was passed in National Assembly. People poured water on him and he stood very firm that time and said we must have a strong law, security laws that will protect the people of Kenya and protect them against the rogue characters who are performing acts of terror. There are some people who are trying to intimidate judges, magistrates, so that they can give lighter bail terms and lighter sentences. I want to ask the judiciary and the Chief Justice to stand firm because prevention is better than cure.
Augete gutire mundu na umwe wanyitire itemi hari guthukangia na gucina indo ugukinyithio thi na hari ciumia ciukite kiheri kia andu hamwe na atongoria ni meguikio ngono na makinyo bao-ini gutekumakania uriu.
If we find you making insightful statements against people and against communities, we will come for you and we will come hard. And we will charge you for what it is.
Garifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo wa ngui wa MUIRA.